In this video, I am going to show you how to pay your council tax online in the UK. So, we'll go through how to find the council payments page, enter your payment detail, complete the payments and everything. First of all, you would like to go and open your PC or your phone and open a browser and go to gov.uk. Once you do so, you'll find yourself on this. So, the UK website is very easy to navigate through. All you need to do is just go to the search bar here. And what you'll have to do is just type council tax. Once you do so, click on the first link. It will give you everything related to that. So here you will find council tax. You want to click on that. And here you'll find overview and pay in council tax. Once you click on it, you'll find yourself with this. Here you will have to enter your postal code. For example here they are giving you example. Let's just say this is your postal code. You can click on find your local council. For example, they will tell you that they've matched the postal code to the city, whatever the city of the postal code that you entered, and you can get information on their websites right away. You can click on this option and it will show you their exact website and page to pay your council tax. Of course, if it's a different postal code, make sure to enter that as well. If you don't know your postal code, you can click on Find the Postal on Royal Mail's Postal Code Finder. And from here, you can basically type a part of the address or postal code to begin, and it will basically give you the full postal code. So, depending on your address example, let's just say this is your address, just type on it and basically, or type it, and you'll get your postal code. You can go back as example here and paste it, click on Find, and as example, they'll take you to the website of the exact city. So as an example for this website, they do have here pay your council tax online. Click on it, and as an example, you'll have to follow the instructions. I'm not going through the instructions or the on-screen instructions for each website because each website will be different. So as an example for this one, you'll have to keep click on the next, enter your information, click on next, and open the online payment service, enter your council tax details, and choose your payments method, then you'll be able to pay it. The same will be for everything else. For example, pay by debit or credit card for this one, click on this option, enter your information, and then you'll be able to pay it. It will be different from one page or one website to another, but all will be the same. You'll have to enter your council tax account number and then enter your payment details and pay for it. So that's how you pay your council tax in the UK online. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.